Welcome to Thesaurus Thrive, where we dive deep into word meanings, definitions, and their synonyms. Today, we're exploring the word jumpy. If you've ever felt restless or nervous, this word might be for you. Let's break it down. Definition of jumpy. The word jumpy is often used to describe someone who is easily startled, anxious, or on edge. It refers to the feeling of being overly alert, reacting quickly to sounds or movements around you, as if you're expecting something unsettling to happen at any moment. Imagine sitting in a dark room, waiting for a sudden noise. That feeling of anticipation, that's what it means to be jumpy. For example, you might say, "She's been jumpy all day, probably because of the upcoming exam." It's a word that perfectly conveys that nervous, uneasy sensation that we all experience from time to time. Synonyms of jumpy. Now, let's explore some common synonyms of jumpy. When you think of jumpy, words like nervous, anxious, or edgy come to mind. But there are many other synonyms you can use in different contexts. For instance, if someone is constantly on alert, you might use the word skittish. Another synonym is fidgety, which describes someone who can't seem to sit still because they're so tense. Restless also captures that feeling of being unable to relax due to nervousness. You can also use words like uneasy, apprehensive, or jittery to convey similar meanings. Each of these words adds its own nuance to the feeling of being on edge, whether it's mild discomfort or full-blown anxiety. Using jumpy in sentences. It's important to know how to use jumpy correctly in sentences. Here are a few examples to help. After hearing strange noises outside, John felt jumpy for the rest of the night. The dog has been really jumpy ever since the fireworks started. The suspenseful movie left the audience feeling jumpy throughout. As you can see, jumpy can be used in many contexts, whether you're talking about a person or even animals reacting to their surroundings. Thanks for watching Thesaurus Thrive, and be sure to subscribe for more word deep dives, definitions, and synonyms. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video with others who might want to expand their vocabulary. See you in the next video.